Hey Loc family. So I just wanted to come on and give you guys a little um positive, encouraging little video. I know it's been a little minute since I posted my last video, but traveling, all that good stuff. But anyway, so what I really want to come on and talk to you guys about today is I was trying to go live off my phone, but it won't let me, and I didn't bring my laptop, so sorry for that, guys. I wanted to do a live with you guys, but you know. So what I want to come on and talk to you guys about is starting your loc journey and being discouraged because you feel like, oh, your locs are not developing as faster as everybody else's. You see other people's locs and they look different from yours. That's the kind of mood that I was in for the past 2 days. And I mean, because I have one of my other friends. Well, I have two friends right now that are going through their loc journey. But one of my friends, she's just started. So her locs really ain't going to bother me because, And then her hair texture is different. So I knew hers was going to be different. But another one of my friends, she actually started her locs with comb coils. And we started roughly around the same time. I think I'm a little bit farther than her. But her locs look lumptious and scrumptious and big, and I'm just like, oh, that's what I wanted. So then I started like, man, maybe I need to combine some locs, which I have went through and combined some more of my locs. So like towards the middle part, my locs are a little bit thicker than what they were. But yeah, like I just felt like, yo, like her locs look really good and mine still look a little thin, a little on the thin side or whatever. Yeah, you can see back through the mirror how they're looking at the back. That wasn't intentional, but yeah. So, but what I just came on to say is that everybody's loc journey is not the same, and that's one thing that I really had to realize. And because I was looking at posts to see how to thicken my locs up more, besides combining some, because even though I want my locs to be a little bit thicker, I also didn't want to have few locs where I couldn't really do the styles that I wanted to do, because prior to me starting to loc my hair, I was the type, I like to change my hair a lot. So prior to me wanting to loc my hair, I changed my hair a lot. So yeah, that's why I wanted to have as many. I started off with as many as I did, because I definitely did not want to be limited on the styles that I wanted to do. So that's one thing that I had to realize with looking at other people's locs and how they look at being 4.5, almost 5 months locs. How some people's locs actually look thicker and how some people's locs actually look like mine. And I just had to realize that it's okay, because everybody's loc journey is different. Everybody's hair is different. My hair is thick, so I'm able to have as many locs that I have and it still looks right because I have thicker hair. Whereas somebody else who doesn't have thick hair, if they were to do as many as I had, it will look very thin. So even though I feel like mine look thin now, it's like, imagine if I had thin hair and not thick hair, imagine how they would look. Like, so like I just basically had to go through this phase of realizing like everybody's loc journey is different. Everybody is not the same. So whereas other people are already farther along in their loc journey and it looks as if they have great locs, like, and I feel like mines are not there yet, it doesn't really matter. But the thing is, everybody knows I have locs. Everybody can tell my hair is locking. A good portion of them are already locked all the way down, even though my ends are crazy. But I don't know, I had to just come to this realization last night while I was, going through and combining some more of the ones that are towards the middle. I just had to come to this realization that everybody is not the same. Everybody is different. Everybody's loc journey is different, and it's okay. It's okay for my loc journey to be different from everybody else's. And there are other people who are like me, who feel the same way. Like, they feel like their locs are not there. But I was reading this one blog, and it was basically saying the way that you start your locs is not how they're going to end. Basically, the way that your locs look when you start them, via it be comb coils, via it be 2-strand twist, or Insta lock method or anything like that. Regardless of how you started and how it looks when you start, that's not the end result. So it's okay, like as you're going through the phases, your different stages, you're just like, I don't know, I don't know. But that's still not the end result, because I still gotta think. I'm only 4.5, almost 5 months into my loc journey. I still haven't even reached the 1 year mark. I'm still not even near 2 years. So over time, my hair is still going to be developed. It's like having natural hair. How when you first start off being natural, your hair may be one texture, but as time goes on, your hair becomes a different texture, which I dealt with that when I was a loose natural. So it's only common that the same thing would happen on my loc journey as well. So anyways, I just want to come on and give you guys basically just a encouragement word, that if you are going through this loc journey and you feel like your locks are not where you want them to be, and you feel like, oh, maybe I should take them out and start over, don't. Stick through with the process. The beginning is not always how the ending is going to look. So just, stay focused with it all and everything's going to be okay. But yeah, that's all I want to do, is just come on and give you guys some positive inspiration, just the positive feedback on the loc journey, because I know going through a loc journey is not hard, but it's it can work a lot on your self-esteem, especially if you're a female starting off with shorter hair like I did, which my hair has grew a lot from when I originally started it. But being a female is different starting lots, because sometimes the way people view you is like, oh, she's a dude, or she's looking like a little boy, she ain't got no hair, even though you do have hair. But so yeah, that's all I want to do, is just come on and let you guys know that. Yeah, and I'll see you guys at the end of this month for my 5-month loc update. I'm not going to give up on the journey. I thought about it for a second, but I'm not going to give up. I didn't mean for this video to be that long, but I just wanted to come on and give you guys a little inspiration, a little motivation to keep going. Anyways, I'll see you guys at the end of this month for my 5-month loc update. Bye.